There's a guy with a gun outside around the corner talking about he's going to rob the place. And I've had a couple customers come up to me saying that I don't know if he approached my customers or my customers walked by and he's just, talking to himself out loud about it. But they said that he's flashed a gun and he's talking about robbing the place.
And he has a gun in his hand?
Probably hidden, like in his waistband or something.
Okay, did you see it?
I have not seen this individual, no.
Okay.
Hey, drop the gun, dude. Drop the gun, dude. Drop it, dude. Drop the gun. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun, dude. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Drop the gun, dude! Drop the gun! 513, John, we're gonna need more units. Drop the gun! Yeah. Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! What the fuck? Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, let me see your hands! Get your hands out of your pocket. Sit down. Have a seat. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! 15 John, 1 at gunpoint. Drop the gun! You move that gun, you're gonna get shot! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun, dude! Drop it! You raise that gun, you're done! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! You got him? Yeah. I'm gonna go to cover. Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! 515, John.